Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free website on WordPress.com. You can go here and type WordPress, then scroll down, and this one is the website WordPress.com. You can go here and then click on Get Started. And here you can create a free website using subdomain. Simply you can go and click on Continue with Google. And here you need to create a free account, so let me select one of the email, this one, scroll down, click on continue button, and now here you need to add your domain name. For example, let me add here enable website design, then scroll down, and if you want to get the custom domain, then you need to pay, for example, $10, $12. And if you want to go with free subdomain, then you can select this one .wordpress.com, then click on continue button. Now scroll down, and these are the web hosting packages. So in these packages you can use this one, 6 GB storage, 13 GB storage, and you can easily install different plugins and premium themes. So for the starting you can go with free package, and now here you can select some of the themes. So if I go here, and here you will find out different themes, so you can check one by one. And you can also type with categories. For example, if we search with blog, you can also see here blog category, then scroll down, and I want to install this theme. Simply click on activate button, and now theme is installed. You can view this website, and here you can see this is the website with default WordPress theme. So you can start creating content. You can go and click on add new post. So this one is for the blog post website. For the other websites you can also go and create pages, and if you want to install different plugins, then you need to upgrade your web hosting package. And if you want to change this site title, then you can go here, click on settings, then general tab.